Ever wondered why parrots are some of the smartest talkers in the animal kingdom? Stick around till the end to discover what other similarity they have with humans. Parrots can mimic human speech so well that sometimes you can't even tell the difference between a parrot and a person. These birds aren't just talkers, they're problem solvers. Some parrots can use tools and even solve puzzles. And here's the jaw dropper. Certain parrots, like the African gray, can live up to 60 years or more, almost the same as their humans. Parrots aren't just colorful. They're clever, charming, and practically timeless. Subscribe today, and one day you might have a parrot calling you its best friend.